If you're seeing a Squarespace error when uploading an image, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common causes and the fastest ways to fix it. This usually comes down to file size, image dimensions, file type, or even the file name itself. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check so you can upload your image without the error message getting in the way. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about file size. Squarespace requires the image to be 20 megabytes or smaller. If your image is larger than that, it won't upload properly. This is very common with photos taken on modern phones or cameras because they can be extremely detailed and saved at a very high resolution. To fix this, open your image in an editor, compress it, or export it at a smaller size. In many cases, simply saving the image again at a lower quality will bring it under the limit. Next, check the image dimensions and total megapixels. Squarespace also says the image cannot exceed 120 megapixels, so even if the file size looks okay, an extremely large image can still trigger an upload error. If you're working with a huge photo, resize it before uploading. You do not need the original full resolution file for most website uses, especially if the image will only be shown in a banner, gallery, or thumbnail. After that, make sure the file type is supported. Squarespace only accepts certain image formats, including JPG, .png, .web, and GIF. If your image is a raw file, or if it's using a CMYK color profile, Squarespace may reject it. This often happens with images exported from design software or professional photo editors. The easiest fix is to convert the file to a standard JPG or PNG using an image editor, then try uploading again. Now let's check the file name, because this is another issue that gets overlooked. Squarespace recommends using a simple file name with no special characters like $, or $. Also avoid extra periods in the name. A file name like final.image.version2.jpg can cause problems. Instead, rename it to something clean and simple like product1.jpg or homepagebanner.png. This small step can make a big difference when the upload fails for no obvious reason. If you've checked all of that and the upload still won't work, try exporting the image again and resaving it in a standard format. Then, refresh Squarespace and upload the newly saved file. Sometimes the original image has hidden metadata or formatting issues that only show up during upload. Re-exporting the image usually clears that up. So to quickly recap, make sure your image is 20 MB or smaller, keep it under 120 megapixels, use a supported file type like JPG, PNG, WEP, or GIF. Avoid CMYK and RAW files, and rename the file with a simple, clean name. Those are the main fixes for most Squarespace image upload errors. If this helped you solve the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and website troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.